My name is Abimbolaido Olayinka. I'm 19 years old. I play in MS Success Football Club. I'm a striker. I'm from Mushin, Lagos State. So I came from a family of 5. I'm the second to the last born. My mom is a trader. She's a trader. She sells foam for bed, for chair, and my dad sells shoe in Lagos. I went to New State Northern Primary School. That's my primary school, and I went to Dusek Senior Secondary School. That's my high school, and that's my junior secondary school too. So I played football when I was in. I started playing for my school team when I was in SS2. So I played in Principal Cup. I played a lot of competition like Honorable Kakoage competition. So I featured well, and I've been a good striker for the team. I'm the one striking for the team. When I started to play ball for Mushin at Lab Industries, so it's been so hard. Then they go play for Eco Boys. So that field dey near our training. So that time we dey play inside Poto dirty like that. So na there MS Success discover me. Then for my primary school, then New State Primary School. Then so now there I started to play. But I like football well. So for there, during break time, we carry ball come out. They play ball, they score goals, play defender. So then my school teachers noticed that I am always that they notice say I like to play football well. Say even when they say make we read for break time, now I feel I go they play football. So they did disturb too. Say this boy, why be say na ball. So they don't get choice than to host competition because of myself, because of some other players that are good in our team, in our school like that. So from there, I get few friends where they train for clubs like that. So some of my friends them that time they call one Toib, they call one Ayo, they call one. So now that Toib carry me go one club for New City like that. They call that school New City for Palm Avenue. So it did near our school. So as in carry me go that club. Now there I start with school uniform playing pants. Start to pay 20 naira. So I no go school direct. Now there I go straight. Immediately we close for school then. Sometimes I go Eco Boys, go play football. Go Eco Boys, go play for Poto like that. So I see MS Success. As then they train, then they play for that. So I see the club as a good club. So I get some friends. I make some friends for DSF for inside Eco Boys. So some of my friends for there then now them like Abidin, PC, Assis, Abib then. So I see them they play for MS Success. Then Sabi play ball well. So I believe myself say if I feel join this MS Success self, I go dig even more better than I did before self. So as I reach the club like that, now one kind polo and one kind small pint like that carry reach the club. So people I talk to now, my friends them just carry me enter the club like that. So I talk to the coach Shegun that time. So he allowed me because he has seen me play. He don't see me where I play for Moon before like that. So as we come train like that, now there we start. Now there I start from MS Success like that from that age 9. So now over 10 years now I don't use with MS Success like that now. Then if I don't come out like that for us, like if I don't come out, my mama, my papa, right from the beginning, them no allow me make I play ball. Like they no want allow me make I play ball right from the beginning. If I don't go play match for club like that, they go be like, Ibolowa, that I don't go fit talk. So I no get choice. I no say na cane I go chop like that. So I go follow coach talk say make he help me call my mama say him don dey para. So coach go talk say ìyá Ìdòwú fọmọ ilé ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló wà bye. So when I reach house like that, he go give me food make I chop everything. For midnight he go wake me up, beat me well. So he beat me. So it just be like saying that every day he beat me. So I no agree, we get like semi-final tomorrow now. He beat me today, we win quarter final. So I got to wan go for that semi-final. I don't know say na cane I go chop. So the cane master body like that. So later on, my mama no get choice than to say, okay, now wetin you wan do be this. Okay, just make sure say you dey go school. You know your book. If you don dey do well for school, no wahala. So I dey make sure say I meet up for my education level, and for field sef, I dey make sure say I dey go training, I dey play well for everything. So later on like that, after I finish school like that, my mama come ask me, say he come tell me say I gats to further more, I gats to leave football like this, say make I go school. So my papa no even gree at all, say make I play football, say this thing, no, he no go gree, make I go school, everybody go school, or if I no go school, I go learn work. So wetin I come tell my papa be say, I just tell am say na God know everyone, say na football me I wan play. I tell mama say na football I wan play. I know. So they come ask me say apart from football, wetin be another job wey I like to do again. I tell them say apart from football, na football I go wan play again. So na football. So my papa no gree at all. My papa vex. So my mama come follow am talk small, say make he leave the pikin. After I dey hear that one, say make he leave the pikin, make he dey do wetin he dey. So my mama follow me come meet Coach MS Musiba Adeosheni, that is the chairman of MS Success. So he follow MS talk like that, say this boy he don't talk so like this, say na here he wan come dey play ball, say he no go school, say make he MS help and tell me, say make I go school sef maybe. So Coach MS come tell am say he no know wetin he go say for the matter, say he don tell everybody say school education dey very important for everybody like that. So my mama come talk say, so how you wan take do am like this? This boy say he wan play ball, say he get mind, he don put in mind now, say make he wan leave the boy, he wan leave me make I play football. Say he sure say I go play football like that. So wetin Coach MS go answer am say he no know, say nothing sure, say it depend on me if I wan play am. Say na God get all that one for am, say if I wan play am, na me go talk am say I go play am. My mama no get choice, follow am talk. So he leave me for Coach MS since then. So he said he leave everything of me for Coach MS, make MS dey take care of me since then. So and since then the Baba don dey take care of me for training, for everything they give me. So started developing me. So I started playing hard, working hard on myself, going to gym, going to different places. So 2013 like that, I play Mobolaji Johnson Cup for MS Success then. So I still dey small, I still dey very small, very young. So now old people they come in, they come play the competition self. But as we reach there, they don't come out everybody wey wan play the competition. They say they don't too old. So the coach wey carry the team, they say make I go church sef that day, but I no gree go church. We get match, I wan go match. So my mama don't come say you don't dey church. I don't tell am say yes, I don't dey church. So I got sneak enter bus, go that competition like that, go watch ball. So when we reach there, as they wan start the game, they don't come out all our players. I be young player out of the I dey play like under something. So now something like now under two, maybe like they won't play like under 18. So I dey play like maybe under 13 that time. So coach won't carry us go that time. They call that coach Ayanki. So that coach come look side, look left, say you still get like young players for under way. We dey like 8 or 7 for there that time. We carry go, we want go watch ball. We say we know if we play, we don't know. So the coach just say, he need like 2 players like that. We go put join the team like that. We go play the match. So coach come call one player to say Ido, and that time Farouk. He call one player again. We came on like that. We be like 3 like that. So out of the 3 of us, the team don't compete. They go use 1 player out of us. We shall start the competition like that. Our coach no dey MS, so he no dey. So the coach wey the assistant wey they call Ayanki. So we start the match game like that. So when our coach come, he be like, these small boys, why you go put these small boys for inside competition? Nobody say they don't sabi play ball. This boy is too big for this boy. So we start like that. So we started to play. We start to play. So as the thing come dey go like that, for first half like that, we play like 1-0. The club they lead us like that. So later on, the second half start. So MS follow us talk, say make we no worry, say we fit win this club like that. So he inspire us like that. Everybody everybody dey do strong get dey play as fit take play. So I dey try my best for the pitch. So for second half like that, so we come start like that. One of the senior team player wey dey there, so he just equalize for us 1-1 like that. So we start to dey play like that. So we start to dey play, we struggle like that. I start to dey play my game. So as I come dey play like that, so the ball just come sha. I scored the second goal for the competition, so we collect the cup like that. So I scored the winning goal for the competition like that. So na that assist Osheni wey we dey call today, na him win the best player of that competition that time. So na so that competition go that time. So after then, I don play a lot of competition wey I no fit remember sef, where I don score different kind of goals. Like summer camp, went to summer camp, Southwest summer camp like that. So I scored up to like 13 goals then for summer camp. So Mobolaji Johnson Cup, I win the highest goal scorer with 9 goals then. So we play Mushin Samba Cup then for Mushin. So now we win the MVP for there too. Like 2018 then, I get invitation from one Romania Cup there, that like a Division 3 club in Romania then, CSM Lugoj. So I placed my document, everything online. So they do everything. The invitation come like that. So we do everything, process everything. But later on, we don't hear anything from the embassy. We don't know where they go. So that one just cut off like that. So later on, I went to this thing, a club like that, Margate. So someone invites me. So person who invites me, he don't see me where I play several like maybe 7 years ago before he leave Nigeria. So he see me where I play for street for mud like that. So the person come come say, you say, I can't say, yes, they now football like me because you can't play like this. Why your papa no fit do? The person they do like video record. Sometimes why your papa no fit do video for you? Say na video they do make it say if video fit help you, but you know then our papa will be say you know want make I play but self who want do am. Now my mama they look and small say maybe this boy fit play something like that. My mama tell me say Sake sọ pé òun rí ẹ o pé òun náà gbá bọ̀ pé ọmọ bọ̀ gbá gan pé kinní kan ó ní ká ṣe fídíò fún ẹ inú wa mo lówó fídíò tó máa ṣe kinní bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pé then so later on that one just go. So when he go come invite me for Margate, he just meet me online for Facebook. He just talk say you still dey play? I say yes. He go say wow, say no worry. Say in dey one so place with one agent like this for Turkey. Say Margate. Say na better Margate group with this thing. So say na better agent. Say na good agent. So say make I no worry sha. Say in dey work with am. Say if he come, he go invite me. Make I just make sure say I dey train and I make sure say I dey train well. Say I dey play well. So when he come back from Turkey then sha, he invite me come down Margate. So I get small slight injury. I tell him say I get so small injury like that. Say but I fit use am play. So he come invite me. So I can't go like that go play. So as he come, the day where he invite me, the Margate manager self come. Him come there. So the Margate manager carry this player come, Rahim Lawa Wale. So as I play well that day. So after I play the game, the manager call me say, wow, you do good game. Say make I no worry. Say make I keep it up. Say everything go good. So everything go like that. So later on, maybe like a week on 2 weeks. So they invite me to come their team. Say make I come. They train with them. So I dey train with them like that. So as I come dey play with them, the man tell me say so thing. Say he want make I go one club like this for Dubai. Say make I go the club. Say na project chat. Say make I go. Before then, I play for Dominion Sport Football Club. They invite me come the club. Say make I come play for them. So when I play for Dominion Sport, I play well, perform from the competition. I go try out for the Dominion Sport. Call me, say make I come play. They one coach, now my coach colleague, him call me, say Coach Balo. So him come follow my coach talk, say make he give am one striker. So my coach can't tell me say make I go, say as per say na me dey perform for the team for now, so I can't go the place. So on my way, when I reach there, players come there, so we can't do trial like that. So I meet them for ground. So they don't play. So like 10-15 minutes to go, I play. So the club manager, Dominion Sport manager, can't call me, or guy man, now waiting with the caller. So he can't call me, say, now me want make I strike for this role, me I come for the team. So he follow the team talk, follow the team. So later I played the competition for them, Menike first 11 competition there. So I play from group stage. I play quarter final, carry them reach semi final. Then we play against box to box against this guy that just signed for Cone, Tolu Aokodare. So I played against him too that year. It's about 2 years ago now. So later on, when I go Margate, after that December, like I go Margate on January. So as everything don't come, they go like that. They play for Margate. So the Dominion Sport manager just come like that. Come Margate. It be like saying kind one striker come test and come look in game for Margate then. So the man come see me, I come greet the man, say, so the man come look say, Bentner, they call me Bentner. Now my nickname, way they call me with that. Everybody like to call me Bentner. Due to my height and the way I play like that as a striker then. So the manager come talk say, Idowu. So I don't follow your coach talk before so thing say why you waiting come do for Margate like that. So I can't let her know say no be my coach, my coach colleague like that. So I go play the game. So he no fit go, he just wait, watch my game there. So later as I can't reach out, waiting go happen, waiting I go here say they don't call my coach MS can't tell me say Balo don't call him say so thing happen for Margate to say this Dominion Sport manager don't call him the verse one say he say make I give me this player, give me striker. I see striker, I say I want striker. Can't carry and go another place. So he don't para for the coach where. So the coach can't my coach colleague can't tell him say make he no verse, say no be get the player, say na MS get the player, say make he follow MS talk like that. So later on that week can't come like that. That same week, maybe the next 2-3 days. No, after the match, after that day match, for that place, after that day match, the man watched our match finish. So after that day match like that, so Margate just called me like that, say, they don't follow me talk and before though. They don't follow me talk and before, say I go sign contract with Margate like that, say they carry me go Dubai. So na very good agent wey I know say na good agent. So when the person just call me, fill the form for me. So wetin come scare me for the part of the form, say I never signed any contract before. I don't know anything about contract. So I don't know, maybe na like 1-2 contract they reach 2, 3 or 4 or na team form. I don't even know. But I just know say the person who invited me to tell me say you sign for Margate to go to so later on they pick one player too, they call him Mufu. So that Mufu this club now Dubai Alpha Aja or something like that, and they play for Division 1 for Dubai now. So now both of us me be the main this thing where they collect the slot for ball. As they choose the player too, among me, they picked some other players so we don't demark before, so we don't reach like 4 like that. So like 2 no fit go due to 1 or 2 other issues like that. So they want me and that move one come on. So waiting go come happen be say I know can't agree sign that contract that they say I know if he sign this thing. Say I don't know because I believe that they say maybe because they don't see the Dominion Sport manager for there. I want to make them give me the contract fast or I don't know wait now. I can't tell them say okay make them wait, say if I see Coach MS say now I go fit sign this contract like that. So coach come talk say no problem, say make me and Coach MS come so this day so like that. So that one come go, we no later go due to say Dominion Sport, we don't go see Dominion Sport self don't call Coach MS say make they bring me come say he get wetin one. So he don't follow coach talk, say he don't follow me talk if I did there. So talk, so we believe say Dominion Sport self get better things. So we look the two together. So Dominion Sport self, so the thing go like that. So I know later go with the Margate. So later on I later see that guy Mufu. I later see say he don't play Division 1. but I never relent like that. So I start to dey train like that. Everything go. Dominion Sports sef, I no fit go again because I no hear from the team manager again. Maybe the team manager think say I don go another place because couple of times when e don seem like him go just look say Ido, where you dey? You just dey go up, and I say no be so like that. So I just keep training, keep working out. So later on they call me for one competition like one scouting program like that. For I don't forget that side, but now Yobo bring the whites like that. So he just invites me. I go play for this club, Basitoy. So I went there to play for the club. So I played very well. The whites come, they carry Oyinbo people come. So all of them they now them one pick, they be scout. So I can't play for the competition. I play well. So although I never hear anything, maybe they pick 1, 2, 3 players from there. But I know they were clapping that day, that everybody were clapping that I did good. So person wey dey outside, they call that man Brother Sheyi. So now he come see me. So now he see me, he come look say this boy wey dey play like say he get one man like this. Say he know the man know person for he go pay be FIFA license agent like that. So now that Mr. Sheyi come call me, come follow the coach wey invite me come say the coach now come follow and talk say this striker make he carry and go meet so person. So they carry me go meet the person. So when they carry me reach the person place, that person just come back from France then. So the person Benga, they call the person Benga. So he just come back from France, you know. So the person follow me talk, he see me, he see me. So later on he see my game, he see me where I play, he see say boy na good player. So he follow him friend. Now him friend be the FIFA license agent like that. So him friend na Mr. Nojim Gelazan. He's a very good manager. So he's a very known man. He has been doing good. So they just him follow the man talk say he has a player like this. Like what a good player. So later on I sent him my video clips. He watch my video. He watch my games. He also everything started going on. So after that, after talking to him, the next week, like the following week, so I sent him some of my CV. I sent him my CV and my video clip. So he was going to a club in Chile to have meeting with the club, maybe how to bring players, maybe club media, something like that. I don't know what's going on. So he went to the club in Chile, Universidad de Chile in Chile. It's a Division 1 club in Chile, one of the biggest clubs in Chile. So he spoke with the club. Later on, he just congratulates me that congratulations that I'm a lucky boy like that. You know, I'm very excited to see my invitation from the Chile like that. So excited. You know, I was like, wow. So finally, I'll be going to ad hoc pay. So I'm very happy with that. So as that come be so that the Chile as it come be so I don't dey happy, don't dey prepare. I don't dey prepare myself. I don't go buy traveling bag self. I don't dey prepare. I don't dey happy. So managers have done before everything don't they go. So later on, this crisis just arise for Chile like that. This crisis wey be say they fight with their government like that. Say they no wan gree over hike or something like that. So I no fit go Chile again that time. So everything don't delay. We believe say the thing go quickly go down. So but the thing continue to the rise. The matter continue to rise. They fight for them. So he weigh me down small because I know they happy. Say wow, with me I dey go Division 1. Say so the manager put my mind at rest. Say make I no worry. Say you will calm down. Make I no worry. Say everything go be. Say make I just continue to work hard. Saying they hear about me from different people. Say then they tell them about me. Wetin I dey do. So that one go like that. So I know if he go that shit later on when that thing stops small, state of emergency stops small. So in go another club for me for inside that Chile because now Chile in the state go another club that is Banesha. So the club did Division 2 like that. So in go that club for me. You know, talk to the club. They do everything. So I got invitation from that club again. So me processing my visa how to move to the club. So my document wasn't complete at first. I know arrange the documents where the way I supposed to do them. I know do them well. So they rejected the visa. Say I should reapply fast. So by the time I go say make I reapply, make I do everything. This COVID-19 just come again. So it affect the team too again. So it be something very painful for me. I know I no wan get myself, but I remember say when I wan go this thing where I no go, where this one no work, na hard work I use see this kind manager. So I need to dey work hard, So about last year, we are playing in a league like that, like Isolo, Oshodi regional league like that. I played up to 5 games. I had 7 goals. Inside the 5 games, I scored 7 goals. So I did score. Now every match, all the 5 games I scored. So I scored 7 goals out of the match like that. So the competition go like that. So people they tell I'm out of the competition. Maybe people we ain't know before, because my manager too now from Mushin Imbi. So people we ain't know before said they follow and talk. They come like that. This guy maybe then they follow and talk or something like that. But because I know saying they hear from people say this boy is a good player the way they do like that. So later on we play even this competition. So originally we participated, but lately we bought a space. My club bought a space then. I played only 3 games. 2 starts. So I had 3 goals in the competition, Sweden Regional League. So because we participated lately. Now I hope for the best to come up, because my manager, Mr. Najim Gelaza, is really trying his best. But I know very soon something is going to come up very soon and we'll celebrate it.